In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take code from Lovable and publish using Vercel. If you've been trying to transition your project from Lovable and deploy it with Vercel, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Lovable. Simply open your browser and navigate to lovable.dev. Once you've arrived, look for the project you've been working on. This should be familiar to you if you've been using Lovable for a while, so head over to your project dashboard and select the project you wish to export. This is crucial as you need the right project to proceed with the export and deployment process. After selecting your project, the next step is to export your code. In Lovable, there should be an option that says Export Code. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Lovable will package up all the necessary files in a format suitable for the next steps. Once the export is complete, it's important to close your project on Lovable. This ensures your project settings are saved correctly, and you can move forward without any hitches. The following step involves connecting to GitHub. On the Lovable dashboard, look for the option to connect to GitHub and click on it. Connecting your GitHub is vital because this is where your code will be temporarily stored before moving to Vercel. Ensure you've logged into your GitHub account so that the connection is seamless. Once you've connected your project to GitHub, prepare your code for deployment. This usually involves checking that everything is in order within your repository. You want to make sure there aren't any glaring errors before you push your code to production with Vercel. Now it's time to connect Vercel. In Vercel, you can start a new project by clicking on New Project followed by the Import button. Depending on how you exported your project, you can either choose GitHub as your source or drag and drop your folder manually if you downloaded a zip. These options allow you to bring your code into Vercel's platform efficiently. Next, click on Continue with GitHub to finalize your setup within Vercel. This will link your GitHub repository with Vercel, setting the stage for deployment. Finally, the exciting part. Deploying your site. To do this, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will automatically handle the heavy lifting by installing all necessary dependencies and building your site. It will even provide you with a live domain, typically something like your app, Vercel app, to access your app instantly. Once you see the deployment complete message, you can visit your app live on the web, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully taken your code from Lovable, connected it through GitHub, and deployed it using Vercel. Enjoy your new live project.